Hello students, today I am going to teach you some coding basics. So if you want to do coding, how can you do the coding? There are various apps or websites or softwares through which we can do the coding. Coding is also of different type, depends why do you want to do the coding. Suppose you want to do the coding for developing application or developing games or developing software. So why do you want to develop a coding skills in you? So here I have tried to give you some basics of coding. What are the things you need to know? Like ways to classify programming language. There are two programming language are there. First, if we want to develop the front end language or if we want to develop the back end language. So suppose I want to develop the front end language. So to develop the front end language, when we want to develop the front end language, then it is called client side language, which are used to create virtual and interactive website element that users can see. Front end means the front end of the website, how a website will look like. And to develop the above look, we use the concept of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the basic one. Nowadays there are lots of things, there are lots of languages are there. Like we have Java, we have Python, we have C++. HTML, CSS and JavaScript are three of the basic combination through which we can develop a website. Backend language are known as server-side language. They create logic and functionality behind the scene of the website, like processing, storing and managing the user's account and authentication. Backend language में there are C# is there, ASP.NET is there, JSP.NET is there. ASP.NET is a dynamic website creator, and we have Python, Ruby and Java. We have Python, Ruby and Java. So here I will show you some example. If I want to develop a HTML page using a home page using HTML. So how can I write? You know how to execute an HTML code. You have to write the code in Notepad, then you have to save the code with .htm or .html extension. When you will do this, this is the web page I have developed with the help of HTML. You can see here I have 4 buttons: home, about, service and contact. Now it is a static website, so it will not redirect me to any other website. If I will create a hyperlink, the concept of hyperlink is there in classes of class 10th and in colleges also, how to create a hyperlink. So if I will provide some hyperlink here in the home, about and service, then a separate web page will open. Now here you can see what are the detail I have provided here. About me, service is there and contacts are there. So if I want to show you, the what are the code is there. Home, if I want to create the home page, you can see here I have opened the home page code in Internet Explorer. You have to choose any web browser. You know the definition of web browser, that it is used to open a web page. So you have to choose a web browser. I have chosen over here Internet Explorer. So when I will right click here, I will right click and I will open with, when I will click on open with and I will click on notepad, then I'll get all the code. What is the code is there? I want to develop a home page. You can see here doc type HTML. What is this document is all about? HTML. Then down will come HTML opening, then head, then title. What is the name of the title? My home page. Then style I am creating here. You know that style we can create using HTML only. We have to we have to use style tag inside the title tag only. After style, I will write the body tag. Then I will open it. Then I will use the font tags. like font family, Arial. For example, whatever font you are applying through, like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, whatever font you are directly applying, for that also we have to write code if we want to develop a web page. Margin I have given 0, padding I have given 0. Now header, I want to put a header at my web page. You have seen the web page of my home page has different columns. What are the header? I have put the background color. There is a background color has 333. What is this has 333? This is a code of a color. There are different code of different color. Has 33 is the code of a color. Now here also I want this color. I want this color has FFF. When you will search the code of the color, you will get different code. Now padding is 20 pixel, and text alignment center means I want to align my text to centers. Then closing. Then H1 for heading. I have put a heading and margin I have put 0. Now and navigation. For navigation background I have put color, some color, then padding again 10 pixel, then text alignment center. Again navigation, again one thing. So for different text I have put in, for different text, whenever you will do coding in HTML, JavaScript and CSS, then you have to write separate coding for each and every text. This is the CSS. Now footer also I have given one, and then style closing, head closing, body open, header again open, and then again another heading where I have written welcome to my website. When you will see the page, you will see that where I have written the different code. Now header. Now header. Now again navigation, ahref. You can see this is the hypertext reference. This is the hyperlink. Hypertext reference I have given, I have created 4 hypertext reference: home, about, service and contact. A for anchor tag, hypertext reference I have given home page. Like this we used to suppose how to write a hypertext reference. You have to write bracket open ahref equals to inside double quotes has closing, then home, then again you have to close the anchor tag. Anchor tag is a container tag, so we need to open and close it. So like this, again there is a tag main. Main is also part of a CSS. Then li for listing, I have created 3 listing: web design, graphic design and SEO optimization. Then p for paragraph, then footer I have written, and then I have closed it. This is the code for home page. I'll guide you about how to create another page also. So for that, till then, thank you very much. Have a nice day.